Hey, it's Dan from House, and today we'll talk about why interactive sales solution. And this is a question that leads us to others. Present real estate or present and sell real estate? There's a big difference between presenting and selling. If you are looking to present, you have several marketing pieces such as renderings, images, brochures, exterior views, PDF floor plans, a landing page maybe, or a price list. If what you're looking for is to generate awareness and subsequent engagement, interaction, and the possible start of a transaction, a reservation, then we are talking about something completely different, something more than interactive content, an interactive sales platform. So here's the goal: to grab the attention of your audience, to increase brand awareness. At the same time, you want to boost your sales process and then turn leads into customers. We have collected some feedback from our clients, as well as some statistics reported by Redfin that says 40% of real estate purchases made last year began without the buyer having seen the property in person. 70% of real estate developers have reported a 50% reduction in printing costs. 79% of buyers reported that interactive 3D tours are very important content when conducting property searches. And then 29% of buyers are looking for properties outside of their city. Thanks for listening to me today. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next week.